Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Siri name on your iPhone. Do you want Siri to call you by different name on your iPhone? Let me show you how to change the Siri name using in just few simple steps. First, unlock your iPhone and tap on the setting. Scroll down and tap on Siri and search. Inside the Siri and search, tap My Information. This is where Siri gets your name from. It's connected to your contact card. Tap your name from the list, then tap Edit in the top corner. Change your first name or nickname to what you want Siri to call you. Tap Done to save. You can also say, "Hey Siri, call me." Siri will ask to confirm. Say yes and it's saved instantly. Now say, "Hey Siri, what's my name?" Siri should reply using your new name. And that's it. You have successfully changed the name Siri call you on your iPhone. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.